Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in this Python tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to talk about a special kind of variable which is called as name. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the coding. So guys, before I talk about the the special kind of variable which is called as name, I want to talk you to the concept of import, and we have talked about import and did some code using import in some previous videos. But I want to tell you what import is. Basically, import is an keyword, reserved keyword in Python language. So what happens is that, for example, let's take an example like if you have created a code to find a factorial of a number, and in another program you want to find the factorial of a number. So what are you going to do? There are two ways to do that. The first way would be that you will write the factorial code again in your program, and the second way would be to use the old code. Okay, so import statement does exactly that. Basically you can import your old code into your new program so that your functionality increases. So let's suppose I want to import math. Math is an predefined Python library, okay, and it has some functions or some variables like pi. So if I will print math.py, it is automatically, let's say, okay, it is not pi, it should be, I guess, small letter. Yes, so it is automatically going to give me the value of the pi, and we have not written the code for it, but we can just import it in our program. Okay, guys. So let's get with the name variable. Let's suppose you have defined a function. Let's call this func. And what are you doing? You are giving it a condition if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to, which means it is comparing two values. Okay, now equal to and in quotes underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Now just bear with me, I will tell you exactly what is going on here. And I am going to print uh, first line, and then outside of if condition I am going to print second line. Now if I will run that, both of these line will run. Okay, uh, let me run it again. Oh, I have not called the function, I need to call it also. Now as you can see here, both the line were printed. Now let's suppose I want to import this program into some other program. So let's create new file, and let's import. The name of the Python of the other file was untitled 0. So I am going to do that, untitled titled 0, 0, and I am going to save it. So as you can see here, untitled 0 imported, but it is unused. Okay, so what I can do is I just will remove this from here, and I can also use it like import untitled 0 as abc. So whenever I want to use anything related to untitled 0, basically this file, I can access it using abc variable. Okay, now I want to call that function. So abc dot func, and when I will call it, you will see that it will only print the line, second line. Now let's say run it, and as you can see here, it is only printing second line. The reason is that the reason is this if statement. So let me just give you what is happening here. Okay, so whenever the interpreter runs the code, it checks whether the program is being run by itself like in this case it was running by itself, or whether the program is being imported to some other file. Okay, like it was imported to this file. So what happens if the program is running by itself? The interpreter give this variable the value of underscore underscore main, which is same as this. So this condition becomes true and both the lines were printed. That's why in this case both the lines were printed. But when the interpreter detects that the program is being imported somewhere else, then the program gives this the file name, the module name, which is in this case untitled one, because when I was running the program from this, so what was happening, let me just rub it. So I was importing this code from into this program using this. So what was happening, that interpreter gave the value untitled one into the underscore underscore name underscore underscore variable, and because of that the condition become false, and that's why it only printed second line. Now guys, so let's say you don't want some part of your code to be imported to into some other code. Or let's say you have created two functions. First is the addition function and the second is the multiplication function. So whenever your code is imported somewhere else, you only want that the addition function will be imported but not the multiplication function. So in that case you can multiply your values here in this if condition. So what will happen, that that code will not be transported or will not be imported to your new program, so that won't be done. Okay guys, so this was it for this video, and I hope that you understood the concept of the name variable, and this is a special variable, a special reserved variable, and I will see you next time in another video.